In this third tutorial, I'll show you the result of the style references 10,101 to 10,150. You will learn how to use style references, and you will get the chance to create extraordinary and unique works of art without having to test everything yourself. The prompt I'm going to use is something very personal this time, because my dear Aunt Finni from Canada is part of this prompt series. Before we begin, style references, or as commonly referred to in midjourney, --sref, are predefined codes that affect your image results quite significantly. These differ not only in terms of style and image, but also in terms of color. As there are so many of these codes, immersing yourself in this matter is always a bit of a journey of discovery. And the best thing is, once you have decided on a style, all you have to do is concentrate on the short text sequence, i.e., the core prompt of what you want to express with your image. Don't forget the aspect ratio at the end of each prompt. In our case, we use 16.9, and, as of today, quality level 2 to ensure the best possible output. And of course, the style reference must not be missing. Simply enter --sref, a space in the number of your choice. You will find the corresponding number in large letters on the right so that you can assign the images to the style code. Let's get started. Shall we? We will use the following basic prompt: a grizzly bear and Aunt Finni carrying a Canadian flag for this tutorial. Of course, you can also use a prompt of your choice, something unusual if necessary. Working with midjourney and creating images is always fun because you can try things that don't exist in reality. See you on the midjourney website in a moment. $10,101, 10,102, 10,103, 10,104, 10,105, 10,106, 10,107, 10,108, 10,109, 10,110, 10,111, 10,112, 10,113, 10,114, 10,115, 10,116, 10,117, 10,118, 10,119, 10,120, 10,121, 10,122, 10,123, 10,124, 10,125, 10,126, 10,127, 10,128, 10,129, 10,130, 10,131, 10,132, 10,133, 10,134, 10,135, 10,136, 10,137, 10,138, 10,139, 10,140, 10,141, 10,142, 10,143, 10,144, 10,145, 10,146, 10,147, 10,148, 10,149, 10,150. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.